if you look at like the EpiPen, for example, I just saw a comparison of prices, and I think it was either Great Britain or Canada, the cost of the EpiPen, and it was dramatic in terms of the difference of price between what it costs in Canada versus the U.S. So, there's, if you just Google it, there's a whole list of comparative drug prices from different sources. Most people look at Canada as the source if we were going to import drugs into. There used to be buses that took senior citizens up to Canada or took senior citizens to Mexico to obtain drugs. That kind of they kind of shut that down or cracked down on that. But, I guarantee you that if drug prices raise dramatically, that's going to happen again. You've seen instances where, somebody will take over a drug company and jack the price of the drug up, thousands of percentage, thousands of percent over what it was. Martin Shkreli did that with the AIDS drug. And, he quickly became one of the most hated people in the country. I know the guy who bought the company that was making the drug, and he's a pretty remarkable man in terms of what he's doing with the company and investing money into it to try and bring the cost of their drugs down. But, that's an instance where, it defied logic. Drugs are being made cheaper in India and in Canada, and as long as they meet the safety profile that the FDA has, then if we're truly a free market society, well then, our drug manufacturers manufacturing drugs domestically, if you want to compete, lower the prices, find ways to lower the cost of the drugs in terms of manufacture, and you could actually probably make more money. Just Google comparative drug prices, and you can quickly see how outrageous some of the drug prices are. My understanding is there might be a low-cost EpiPen that is going to start being sold at CVS. So hopefully for people that need EpiPens, that issue is being taken care of. But it's pretty bad.